Hi everyone, hope you all are doing great. Today basically I'm doing a comparison video between the Sugar Blush Stick as well as the Faces Canada Blush Infinity Stick. Okay, now actually I got this product free when I ordered a few products from Nykaa. At that time I got this product free. Now I don't know whether that Nykaa haul will be either up before this or maybe after this. Definitely if it is before this, then you must have watched this video, watched that video. If not, then after watching this video I'll definitely, if possible, link that video in the I button, or not in the I button, then you can check in the description box, it will be there. That is my Nykaa haul. In that I got this blush stick actually absolutely free, and I have already purchased this blush stick from Sugar, and it is from their own website. I have purchased basically Sugar products I prefer to purchase from their own website. So this is the blush stick from which I have purchased, and this is what I got free. Now I thought of making a comparison video because this both are pretty similar, not the shade wise, but both are blush stick. They give you same kind of finishing, and also I thought of, since these the work of this, both the two, the purpose, basically the purpose for what we are using this is same. So I thought of, because I have this two different brands, so I thought of making a comparison video. Before moving ahead with the video, let me please tell you to kindly subscribe my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it there is a small bell icon. You can hit that bell icon for the future notification, so that basically if you'll hit that bell icon, you won't be missing any videos. Alright, now let's begin with the video. Chalo. First we'll talk about the comparison. Okay, the price point, the content, that is the ml or maybe the gram, what you get in that, everything, and then we'll go for the swatches. Swatches will be in the end. First we'll talk about Faces. Now this Faces Ultime Pro Blendfinity Stick Blush, you get it in 3 shades. Same as goes with Sugar also. Sugar Face Forward Blush Stick, you get in 3 shades. So both the shade wise, as per the shade range, both are similar. Now we'll talk about the price point. Over here you all can see I have already uploaded the review of this product. It is up on my channel, so you definitely can go and watch that video. If possible, I'll be also linking that video in the description box, so you can definitely go and check it over there. The MRP of this 7 is 799, whereas the MRP of Faces one is 699. You all can see 699, and this is here somewhere given 799. Here 799. All right, net content what you get in Sugar one is 7 grams. It is given over here 7 grams, whereas if you check the net content in this, you get 10 grams. So if you talk about the price point, Faces one is little bit cheaper, 699, this is 799. In this you get 10 grams, 100 rupees less, still you get 3 grams more, whereas over here you are paying 100 rupees more and getting 3 grams less. This is now actually the MRP. Now if we talk about Faces brand, generally goes for, I have seen Faces brand goes on 40% sale, up to 40% sale on Purple's website. Nykaa, it is generally on 10 to 25%. But I am not sure about this particular product, how much off it goes on. I am not sure of this. But definitely you can check during the offer times. If you want to buy this, you can check during the offer, and I'll suggest you always buy the products during offer. If it is not very urgent, wait for the offer or wait for the sale, then only buy. Whereas Sugar one, if you go to their own website, right now also they are having, right now when I'm filming this video, they are having an offer. Like if you pay 1299, that is 1300 rupees, you can select 3 products. Okay, any 3 products. In that they have almost 7 to 8 pages. You can select from the all, like from all that particular products, but only 3 products you can select, and it should be in that particular pages. Okay, so you get each product for 433 rupees. Yes, I bought this product at 433 rupees. So you all can compare 433, and if this goes on sale, then definitely during the sale time you all can compare the price point. Okay, now Faces one comes a little bit bigger cardboard. It's black cardboard and little bit shiny finishing on the name, and all the details are given on the cardboard. So this is like what the packaging is, and from inside you have, like inside it looks like this. Okay, there is a foam inside the box. You all can see foam packing. Okay, this is the Faces one. And now if we'll talk about the Sugar one, the inner cardboard is like normal, there is no packing or none, but the packaging is of this is really tight. Okay, so I don't think the product will move here or there. Okay, both this comes in black kind of black tubes you call, or black, what you call, whatever you want to call, both the things come in the black packaging. Okay, if we first talk about the Faces one, it's written over here, Faces All-Time Pro Blendfinity stick, and all the details, rest other details, see expiry and all is given over here. So if you want to throw away this cardboard box, definitely y'all can throw away, but I always keep, y'all know I always keep my product in the packaging itself. Over here y'all can see the manufacturing expiry is given. Okay, so this is the Faces one. And if you talk about the Sugar one, it's over here written face forward stick and everything. Here the shade number and everything is given, as well as you all can see manufacturing and expiry is also given on this particular stick. So if you throw away Sugar one cardboard also, no problem, you get all the details. So that is the plus point. Also the shade name is written, Sugar shade name is written over here, Faces shade name is written on the bottom part. Okay, on the silver sticker, I forgot what you call. Okay, now if we talk about the swatch part, the Sugar one comes with, the Faces one comes with this kind of cap. It is tight, easy, travel friendly. So y'all can just open it. Y'all can see where I'll swatch. I swatch here, so that here and here. Okay, so that is easy for you. This is the Faces one. On over here, y'all can see F written on the stick. So I'll just swatch here. It is very creamy, very pigmented. Y'all can see this is the Faces one. I'll just close it up so that it doesn't get dried or something. Okay, shelf life, both the products have shelf life of 3 years. I forgot to tell you. Yeah, both the products have shelf life of 18, 19, 20, 21, 3 years. And even same it goes with this also. Even this is 19, 20, 21, 22, 3 years. Both the products shelf life is 3 years. This is Faces one. Of course, both the shades are different. This shade is cinnamon. The shade of Faces what I have is a cinnamon. I'll tell you. It is, yeah, 03, Stunning Cinnamon 03. Okay, both the comes in 3 shades. And this one is, I'll tell you. This one is Faces. Oh, sorry, Sugar. Mauve Marvel is the Sugar one name. And over here you have Faces Cinnamon. Okay, this also is available in 3 shades. So this is the final pack. Now y'all can see this is Faces one. We'll just blend it with one finger. You don't compare the shades, you just compare the formula and all. Okay, because shades are different. This is Sugar one is cinnamon shade, and the the Faces one is cinnamon shade, and the Sugar one is Mauve Marvel. So both the shades are pretty different, but definitely you all can compare the formula. The application part, both are very pigmented, easy to blend, and like you don't feel, I'm blending with other fingers. The first one is Faces one, cinnamon. See, y'all can see what kind of effect it is given, and this is Sugar one. Both the colors are very easy to blend and very pigmented. So if you want to like dab it, you can take little bit on your back of your hand, and then you can blend it with your finger also. It's very easy to blend with finger. If you want to go with the brush, stippling brush or something, definitely you all can apply with stippling brush. If not, if you want to directly apply with sponge also, that is the beauty blender, you can do that also. See, this is like the Faces one. You all can see this is Faces one and this is Sugar one. Okay, now all the 3 shades name of Faces as well as Sugar I'll be definitely mentioning in the description box. The buying link of the products will also be there in the description box, so don't forget to check the description box. Alright, always check. Buying link will be there. Also the shades of all the 3 Sugar as well as the 3 Faces one also will be in the description box. I think this is all what I wanted to compare. Now you can decide. If you ask me, both the products are wonderful. If you want to buy anything, just check your budget, just check which product is on what offer. Definitely go for it and you can buy it, because this video is not sponsored. Both the products are bought by my own money. I got this free. But of course, why I got free? I got some other products, that's why I got free. So indirectly I paid for this also. And this I paid from my own money. Sugar is not sponsoring me. Sugar doesn't even know that I am existing in the world. Okay, so this is not a sponsored video. So if you ask me, my personal, Faces one is little more pigmented. So if you are a beginner or something, you have to be little careful. Whereas the Sugar one is little, Faces one is more pigmented, Sugar one is little light. So if you are like applying little overboard or something, you can manage. Of course, even this also you can manage. This is just my opinion. Both the products are excellent. So I can't select any one, because both the brands are close to my heart. Okay, so this is what the thing is. I forgot to tell you where the products manufactured exactly. I'll tell you. The sugar products are made in Korea, and the faces products I'm not sure where they are manufacturing, but definitely I'll mention in the description box where the faces products are manufactured. Okay, so and ingredients and everything is given. So I think I have covered each and every point, but still if you have anything in your mind, let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely help you. If I know the answer, I'll definitely let you know. That is all for this video. If you're watching till here, that means you're liking my content. If yes, then give it a huge thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.